Hi friends, we are back again with another unboxing. I hope everybody had a safe winter storm, and let's jump right in. Oh, we got pitas. We got pasta, an onion, garlic, oatmeal, polenta, pigeon peas, strawberry jelly, brown rice, tomato sauce, second bag, oh yay, red peppers, broccoli, carrots, butter, cheese, tilapia, pears, milk, sour cream, and chicken thighs and ground beef. So this will be good for us. I'll also give a lot of this stuff away to my friends because I have triples of everything. Thank you guys for watching, and stick around to watch me make some meals with this stuff.